Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I finally have a new makeup tutorial for you. I know it's been a hot minute, but I am back with a new look and it is an intense one. We are doing red, black, and gold today because we are doing a Jafar inspired look. I'm doing a 10-day stint of Disney villains looks over on my Instagram for 100 Days of Makeup, so check it out if you haven't already. Yesterday I did Ursula, today I'm doing Jafar. So if you guys want to see those, then go look at it, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids, and I've been using concealer lately because I have just not been feeling my other primer for some reason. It seems to be, I think it's kind of old and now it's just creasing and not really doing its job anymore. And I do have eyeliner on and some brown mascara and some regular old lash mascara because I had stuff to do today and I threw it on, and I'm just going to it's gonna get covered up anyway. All I did was use a brown eyeliner on the top of my lid and then I tight lined, so if it does end up making a difference in the overall look, which I don't think it will, that's what I did. It might change my lashes a little bit because they do look very lifted right now. And I am going to be putting a wig on, so that's why my hair is like this. So I'm going to be using the Tammy X palette for some of what we're doing today. And I'm going to be using this red color and this black color. So I'm going to start with the black color. And I'm just going to take a BH shading brush. This is a number 6. And we're just going to put this all over the eyelid. We're just going to pack it on very carefully and in layers so we don't get a lot of fallout. If you want this to be like really intense very quickly, then I would recommend doing a black base or a gel eyeliner on the lid first. And that will give you a bit more definition with the black. But this concealer works really well. I'm taking a bigger fluffy brush and we're going to dip into the red color here. I'm tapping it off and we're just going to kind of pack it along the outer corner here and then start bringing it inwards. So this way we're blending the black without losing any of the intensity, but it has a nice fade, and I'm just bringing the red down a little bit into the outer corner so it kind of encircles all of that black. I'm going to fill in my brows with an angled brush with this black color, and normally I wouldn't use black, I would use like a dark brown, but I'm going to be wearing a black wig, and because this is a Jafar inspired look, I want my eyebrows to be a bit more angular and full, and because I already have the brown mascara in there, they are already kind of more shapely. So when I fill in my brows lately, I've been doing just like very sparse brows. I talked about that in my like monthly favorites, or like my spring favorites, I guess. But for looks like this, I want to create the essence of the character. That's why I like Disney bounding so much and why I've been doing it kind of just in the house for fun lately. I mean, because it's like, what else is there to do right now? But getting to like create like the essence of the character you want to be is a lot of fun, and you can do it in like your everyday life and no one would know the difference. So now that our eyebrows are done, I'm going to take a little bit of glitter adhesive and I'm going to mix it with a bit of my bronze powder pigment, and that's what we're going to use as eyeliner today. So because I'm doing Jafar, I wanted to make sure there were like a lot of gold accents kind of either in the jewelry or in the look, so everything's going to be really bronzy, even the liner, and then my highlight and stuff, which you guys will see here in just a minute. So I just mix it together in the lid with a little bit of the powder and then load the brush up on both sides. Make sure I'm picking up lots of pigment, and then just go in and line it like I normally would if I was using an angled brush with a gel liner. So I'm going to do a wing so you really see it. I'm gonna make it nice and thick since I am using lashes. I don't want to lose any of that. So I'm gonna go off and do my lashes and my skin, and then I will come back. For my skin, I'm gonna be using my stick foundation and the Fit Me concealer. And the lashes I'm going to be using are the Ardell's 174s. I believe these are the natural lashes. Okay, so I have my skin done and my concealer all on. I put my wig cap on, so I am fully prepped for a wig. Now I am going to contour a little bit and bronze, really more so bronze. I'm going to take my big fan brush and my Physicians Formula Nude Wear here, and we're just going to bronze up around the hairline here. And then we're going to go like on the contour line, but not necessarily carve it out, just kind of give that bronze effect, although it does a good job of contouring if you have like a round face to do it this way, to just kind of cut in right underneath that cheekbone. And it does a much better job, for me anyway, of actually contouring my face, giving me some angles. And I'm going to do a little bit on my nose as well, and kind of under my bottom lip. So then for blush sets highlighter, I'm going to use Yummy Cookies from ColourPop. This is one of the Hello Kitty ones, and it is like a bronzy sort of peach color, but it's very shimmery, so it'll give a nice highlight to the cheeks as well. Hopefully you can see it. I'm not worried about being like blindingly lit right now. And then down my nose, out of my lip. And I'm just gonna veil this a little bit because it got a little heavy. I'm just gonna tap it out. And for lips, I'm going to use the NYX Suede Pencil in Copenhagen. On top of that, I'm using the Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen. So now that I have the makeup look done, I'm going to pop on my accessories and my wig and show you guys the outfit. So for the outfit, if you've been here before, you've seen this dress. This is just my 3/4 length sleeve dress from Forever 21. It's very plain, but it's one of my favorite ones. It fits, you know, pretty good and is very comfortable. It's just like a loose cotton. And then I put on this long gold locket. Hopefully you guys can see it right there, to kind of give me some of the gold accents. And then for the red accent, I put on my red belt just at the waist. And then for shoes, hopefully you can see these. These are my strappy Christian Siriano heels. They have a little gold on them as well. And I thought the kind of lace up was more, I don't know, more villainous than princess. So that is the look I went for. I wish I had like a black and red coat to like drape over my shoulders as like the big Jafar sort of cape that he has, and like a good red or black hat. But alas, I do not. So this is what I went with. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like down below and tell me what your favorite part of the video was. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on this video and all my other ones. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.